Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can adjust screen brightness in Windows 11, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So actually you can see we are already in our desktop, so all the poses are similar for desktop and laptop. You just need to go over here. Once you come over here, you just need to find it out the setting option and then got into the setting. Once you come over here, then here actually you will find out the recommendation setting, and here you will get to see the display options, or you can go with the system one, and then here you can see we have these options called display. Just click this one. Once you click over that place, you will find out all these necessary things for you, like you can adjust display brightness setting easily from that place. You can see how easy the process was. They already give you the documents, like you just need to go to the setting, then click system, and then you will find out the display, and then you will find out the brightness and clear the charge or change brightness automatically from lighting checkbox if it's appeared. So in Windows 10 you will get this one automatically, this one. So you can see how easy the process was. You just need to open, just click to the open, and it will redirect you to that place. And here you can find out to see this one called brightness and color section. So from that place you can easily change your color for your display. Then here you have another option, HDR1. You can go with this one, and then from that place you can change the one also. And the next one is you just need to go to the night light. If you turn on this one, it will look something like this. You can decrease the light, you can increase the light. It's totally depend on you. This way you can easily do change brightnesses. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, I have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.